Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8. And in today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to enable dark theme on Dola AI account. So first of all, launch Dola application on your mobile devices. Now, once you come here, go ahead and tap on profile at the bottom right. Now, once you come here, go ahead and tap on gear icon at the top right corner. Now over here you'll see the category of text size and theme. Tap on it. Now you can see that in my case the theme has been selected for light. So let's tap on dark. Then tap on save at the top right corner. And with that you will successfully be able to enable dark theme on Dola AI account. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.